Do you dread going to that next board meeting? If you serve on a board, especially a condo or homeowners association board, you know the hardest part isn't the decision. It's the meeting where you make it. I'm CJ Cavin. I'm an attorney and credentialed parliamentarian. And I've spent my career helping boards run meetings that hold up, agendas that keep the rooms on track, votes taken carefully the first time, and minutes that protect the association if a decision is ever challenged. That's exactly what this training is about. The Hawaii Association of Parliamentarians is sponsoring an in depth educational series built for board members just like you. Over several hours of practical instruction, we'll cover how to build an agenda that works, handle motions and amendments with confidence, manage comments from owners and members without losing control of the room, and take minutes that stand up to scrutiny. Think about the moments that test a board: a contested election, a special assessment, a divided vote. This training will prepare you for those moments before they arrive, because a well run meeting builds trust and a poorly run one builds conflict. Join us Saturday, June 27th. Registration details are included below, and I hope to see you there.